Hi! Are you passionate about makeup? Do you enjoy watching tutorials and honest product reviews? Then this is the right place for you. I'm Joanna and I created the World of Beautycraft to inspire and help other makeup enthusiasts like me. This is a channel for anyone that loves playing with makeup and creating unique looks. I'm a normal person just like you, so my reviews are from an average consumer perspective. But yeah, this one is also nicely pigmented and also blended very well. I'm taking the shade Lavender that is actually creating a little bit of a hard pan. But I think this is really good, really similar to that Kiko bronzer, but this is much more affordable. My tutorials are made to show you that if I can do it, so can you. I'm currently posting new videos every Monday, Thursday and Saturday, so make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any new content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!